Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Tonkeeper. So the first step, you need to download the app and you must have a wallet. Then you simply need to open that app. So once you open that app, here you can see different options. So you simply need to click on swap, and from once you're here you can see the swap option. So first you need to select the tokens. So let's suppose I want to select this one, and then you simply need to receive the so I want to receive here in that, and then you need to enter the amount. So let's suppose I have 500. So once I have a balance, then you simply need to click here the button, and once you click on that, you can easily withdraw money from here. Currently I have no balance, so that's why it is showing insufficient APE balance. But if you have a balance, you simply need to click on that and you simply need to withdraw. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.